Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Heikin Ashi candles, the benefits of using these over normal candlestick charts. I'll do the intro really quick because no one's really interested in the intro. They just want to get and have a look at the charts. So the main differences between, or the big difference between Heikin Ashi candles and normal candlesticks have the high, open, low and close. Heikin Ashi has a smooth blended calculation. For those interested in the calculation, I'll add that as a little picture after this intro. Basically, the Heikin Ashi candle smooths the price, so it gives a nice flow of bear markets all smoothed out in red, bull markets indicates all smoothed in green. We don't get any red, green like normal candlesticks that actually do match the market price. Heikin Ashi's smooth the price, so it enables you to keep in the trade longer or exit the trade sooner when you get a change in the color of the candle. They're great for keeping in trend trading, market reversals. They're really good at spotting and trading the trend. So without further ado, I will take you into a chart and show you about the Heikin Ashi candles. First, the techie bit for those interested in knowing the calculation. The formula follows next. Then we'll go into the candles. See you soon. Right, well, this is Heikin Ashi chart. You can quite clearly see with the market, they can quite clearly see the trends. Markets going up and markets coming down. Nice and smooth. It makes the price action much clearer to see. And turns in the market are very, very clear, especially when you have the market come down on a big rush down and then a reverse. It's very, very clear on the Heikin Ashi candles how that happens. What I'll do now, I will just flick over for a comparison. So what we're looking at here is the Heikin Ashi candles on the identical chart, on the identical time frame. And you can actually see the way the Heikin Ashi smooths the price action. And it's much clearer to see. These are the normal candles. You can see the normal candles fluctuate, red, green, red, green, red, green. Especially in a strong trend, you can see a strong trend here. And the market's red, green all the way. Lots of scrappy action here and lots of scrappy action going back up with the Heikin Ashi keeping it nice and smooth. Just as an illustration of how you can find a nice entry on Heikin Ashi. I just use my little tool here. Yeah, Heikin Ashi candles here. What you'll see is me drawing on the Heikin Ashi candle here and it being represented down here on the normal candlesticks. So a nice little reversal here on the 15-minute bar reversal. This is the risk, this is the reward. Markets running back up again, having a little pullback, another little pullback using the same techniques, which in part 2, 3 and 4, I'll explain a lot more how you do this. Heikin Ashi again, a pullback here, very simple to see. Markets pulling back. Let's have another little look. Markets pulling back. That one's just not quite made it yet, so you wouldn't go back in. Market, there we go. There's the next big pullback. Very, very nice. Let's just in comparison, let's have a see here. Using normal candlesticks, nothing really there on a price action to tell you to get in. Heikin Ashi, very clear. A nice pullback here on the Heikin Ashi with a nice green candle. Nothing to see here. We had an indecision candle here, doji candle here, another indecision candle here, nothing to see. Heikin Ashi, a trade was still on. Heikin Ashi reversal here, nice trade, nothing. Heikin Ashi reversal here, nothing. So Heikin Ashi candles, very, very powerful. And it's something that you should try. It's a powerful way of trading. It's something that we use every day in my trading room, and I implore you to try it. It will change your life. Right. So a quick run into Heikin Ashi versus normal candles. I implore you guys, try Heikin Ashi candles. They will change your trading. Look out for part 2, and I will look at trend following and how to enter the markets. We'll go into a lot more detail so you can follow it, so you can go back, rerun and rerun. And then we'll have part 3. Part 3, we'll look at breakout strategies. Might include some fractals in that as well. And then part 4 will be the last one, which will be pullbacks and how to get into a pullback and extend your trade. Maybe. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe, and look forward to the next parts. Happy trading, guys. Bye-bye.